Hi everyone, on this video we'll be showing you how to turn off and turn on and also restarting your iPhone properly in iOS 16. For turning off or maybe restarting your iPhone may seem like a simple task, but if you don't do it correctly, you can run into problem. So let's get started. The first one, how to turn on and turn off your iPhone properly. But before that, I will show you on your device. On the right side of your device, we have one button, we call it power button. And on the left side of your device, we have a two button. The upper side, we call it volume up button. And the down side, we call it volume down button. Okay, let's get to the business. How to turn on and turn off your iPhone. To turn off your iPhone, press and hold the power button and either of your volume button. Just pick one of your volume button. Press and hold the power button and either one of your volume button together. And step 2, we are going to try restarting our iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. And then press and hold the power button until the slide to power off appear on your screen. And then the slide to the right slider appear on your screen, but don't slide it. Keep holding the power button until your Apple logo appear on your screen. And then we're waiting for the process. And Viola, congratulations! Now you have successfully reset your iPhone using the side button in iOS 16 without connecting to computer. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you have any question or comment, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful video like this one. Thanks for watching and bye!